In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust space between paragraphs in Microsoft Word. Clean paragraph spacing makes any document easier to read, whether it's a report, an essay, or a professional letter. The goal here is to add a bit of breathing room between paragraphs without changing the overall line spacing inside each paragraph. Start by selecting the text you want to update. If you want this change across the entire document, the quickest way is to press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select all the content at once. On a Mac, use Command+A. If you only want to change spacing in a specific part, just highlight that section instead. Selecting first is important because Word applies spacing to whatever is currently highlighted. With your text selected, look at the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Paragraph group, find the Line and Paragraph Spacing button. It's the icon with horizontal lines and small up and down arrows. Click it to open a small drop-down menu of spacing options. This menu controls both the distance between lines within a paragraph and the space added before or after each paragraph, so it's the right place for what we need. From that menu, click Add Space Before Paragraph. As soon as you choose it, Word increases the space above each paragraph in your selection. You'll notice the text looks more open and structured, with clearer visual separation between ideas. This is especially helpful when paragraphs were feeling cramped or when headings need a little room to stand out. If the result feels a bit too airy in places, don't worry. You can undo immediately with Ctrl+Z. Reselection is quick, and you can apply the change only to the sections that benefit most. Remember, this command affects paragraphs created with the Enter key. It won't change the appearance of text that's just wrapped to a new line within the same paragraph. A few practical tips as you work. Applying spacing to the whole document gives a consistent, polished look, but selectively adding space can help emphasize key sections like introductions, summaries, or lists. If you collaborate with others or move between Word on different devices, the button's appearance may vary slightly, but it remains on the Home tab in the Paragraph group. Finally, preview your document as you scroll to ensure the spacing reads well across pages and around headings. That's all there is to it. Select your text, open the Line and Paragraph Spacing menu, and choose Add Space Before Paragraph. Save your document when you're happy, and enjoy the cleaner, more readable layout.